wasted on me, wasted on me, wasted on me. Tell me what.
Fuck this dude doing 35, dude. Fucking dumbass.
Tell me why not wasted on me, wasted on me, wasted on me. Baby, why not wasted on me, wasted on me, wasted on me. Tell me why not wasted on me, wasted on me.
Come on, dude. Speed the fuck up. Oh my god. What is with people today?
Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragons. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, I'm robbing people, but I'm an honest man.
Oh my god, dude.
This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, I'm robbing people, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragons. This dragon's got my hand.
Dude over here fucking sitting in a green light. What the fuck is going on?
Sometimes I wonder how I got here.
Does no one know?
She got no money in the bank. She be walking around acting all stank. She at the party looking at me. Oh, but she can be seen looking at her.
Fucking asshole.
I ain't trying to say that, girl.
So it looks like this chick's waiting to cross the street by jaywalking instead of just walking, I don't know, 200 feet to her right at the light where there's a crosswalk and she can cross safely. But instead, she'd rather cross in the middle of the street where she could possibly get hit by all these trucks. Oh, and there she goes. As slow as can be.
Yo, they ain't got no sign. Everybody's for the shit for the millionth time. When I done G1, they was doing it then. Like some of them ain't got a clue with this pen or without the pen.
Goes on the ice, yeah. Anti-sober. Don't get hurt.
So this fool's just gonna stop in the middle of the fucking road. Can't just pull off on the side right there. You're next to a fucking empty spot.
Of course. That was like the first thing whenever they brought me in there.
It's a one-way street.
Well, they're drunk. And they're not paying attention.
You know, she could
You need
just
to come to Sacramento with me. It was so fun.
she could just swing it open and, you know, why is that girl trying to go into the cinema?
It's oh, I've seen. Like I
Why are
spent,
cars going the opposite direction?
I don't. You have the back camera on?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, well you better stay there.
there, I don't know why. I don't know why.
This guy.
I want you close to me.
Ooh, shit. Car accident. Randomly one time. Okay, you didn't even look. And then, what the fuck do we have going on? What the? You wanna move? Dumbass. What? And then that car almost hits that car.
I'ma hit that if she let me. They don't like how I talk that. Put it out my wrist, a puddle dripping. 42, I'm steady sipping. Yeah, I'm on and I'm off that. Yeah.
Seriously, dude? Dumbasses.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Mac 10, you know your rule hip hop.
Why don't you learn how to drive? Yeah, that's why you cut me off, right? You cut me off, so I need to learn how to drive. I'm not even on a phone. It's a remote. Dumbass. That's why I got you on camera and I can report you. Yeah. Yeah, I got you on fucking camera, dude.
Baby, get another bag. And walks on my feet, got to do the cold laugh. Maserati, bumping 21 style. I'ma get another bottle, maybe get another bag.
Dumbass. Look at this dumbass fucking cyclist going against a red light. That's how you die, dumbass. Why does that car look all diagonal though? Last minute lane change, possibly? Yeah, blocking 2 lanes, dude.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid of.
Been through the ups, yeah, the ups and the downs on me. Got a whole lot of love, but you don't wanna spend it around with me.
Whoa!
Never pick up.
Dude! Not cool. You did not even signal, dude.
Don't take no more time, make it number. I need you to make it number.
Whoa, dude. You can't reverse. Oh, okay.
Is it all open?
Yeah, I'll call them and see
Yeah.
if they do like a pre-order something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Don't do it. We got this fool right here, jaywalking against the light. right in front of me. You didn't even know I was turning, dude. My own, I wanna dream of them, so I don't have to dream alone. Dream run it. Where are you?
Chill. I got my umbrella, my finger waves the days, they fall like pumpkins.
Come on, dude.
I break up with him before he jump. They have me, yes, lucky.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Quinn Road. Take the next right onto Quinn Road, then turn right onto 7th Standard Road.
And then you don't even stop at that stop sign. You just want to be up my ass.
Take the next right onto 7th Standard Road.
Oh, look at that. We're both at a red light. You didn't get fucking nowhere. Oh, go up?
I think we go around that way. I mean, we could go up.
Exit only.
Yeah, it's a white Kia.
What the fuck, kid?
Get hit, you little bastard.
Like, he didn't even look. Looking around. Not really, like, paying attention. Oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Yep.
I got a Mexican though.
Like snakes and spiders in my hair.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween.
A large fry, a ranch, and a large drink. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, so the total will be $15.36, and it'll be ready in about 18 minutes.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, it's gonna be a couple fights just to see who's wrong or right.
You know I'm the one who put you up there. Deep in the sky, does it ever get lonely?
Go, dude. What you sitting there for?